Good evening, my dear friends. As we are in the district of Chandrapur, the situation in our district due to the pandemic COVID 19 is really worsening, heartbreaking, and saddening. I have with us my both the consultants who are treating the COVID patients, Dr. Amit Havas and Dr. Ganesh Kaurase. You are seeing behind Christ Multi Specialty Hospital in Chandrapur, which is run by Dice of Chanda, and it was constructed with the help of Manav Unidas 2002. We are having a very sad reality as we are facing the challenge of COVID. The situation is something terrifying. The number of patients are going up. There are lack of beds in the hospitals, lack of medicine, scarcity of oxygen cylinders, and scarcity of medical personnel, health workers to treat the patients who are affected by COVID 19. It is really sad part of human history that we are facing a challenge with regard to the existence of human being, and it is a challenge to all of us, and it is the responsibility of every human being on earth to support each other in this moment of this great challenge, a threat to the humankind. So I would like to appeal all of you to help the people who are suffering, who are in need of your help in medical facilities, to give treatment, to save their lives, and to have a change from this situation of COVID-19 pandemic. We are ready to take up this challenge and help the people who are in need of our help. We are lacking the resources actually. We need some help to have some resources. Actually, we are converting our church to help people. That treatment will be totally free. We are arranging almost 24 beds over there to treat COVID-19 affected people. So I humbly appeal all of you to help the people who need medical facilities in our area.
We are running this COVID unit since more than 1 year, and day by day our bed facilities have been increased to the maximum strength, but we still have to deny many patients because we don't have beds. This scene is very disheartening. We need lot of resources to extend our facility. The administration has decided to provide a free oxygen to the needy people who are not able to get beds and not able to find the hospital for the treatment. So time being they can be given some rest with the oxygen. That is the plan of the hospital. For that we need some resources, we need some volunteers. I hope that everyone who is listening will come forward and help our hospital.
As we are lacking the bed for COVID-19 patients, actually you see the church of Chandrapur, and we are converting it to a hospital setup. Actually they are working on oxygen lines. You see there are some 24 oxygen lines we are setting up. So this is the situation now we are in Chandrapur. People are in the vehicle on the roadside waiting to get some support of oxygen just to breathe and ease out their life. It's a very, very terrible situation. So we need your help, and we are planning to have this setup totally free for the people of this area. So I appeal all of you to help us as we are trying to help these people who are affected by pandemic COVID-19. I thank all of you for your support that you are going to do for us. Thanks a lot.